don't worry. Better go take a look though, make sure everything's okay.
Hey there. Huh? Huh? Ah! Oh no, it's a pipe.
Oh, Scotty. You're alright, just brush it off. Come on, back to work.
Oi, oi, oi. Alright, matey, just back it up for me. Put it over there.
Ay. So much sand. Only got one little shovel. Oh, I better get started. Whew, so much sand. How am I going to be able to do it all on my own? What you doing there, laddie? Shoveling the sand. You gotta wait for the bulldozer. Bulldozer's job. Oh, here he comes now. Come on, out of the way. Ooh, there goes the bulldozer. Now it's my time to shine. Let's go. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry. Better go take a look though, make sure everything's okay.
Hey there. Huh? Huh? Ah! Oh no, it's a pipe.
Oh, Scotty. You're alright, just brush it off. Come on, back to work.
Oi, oi, oi.
Ah, Scotty. Well, accidents happen. Let's get some pipe, a forklift, and a crane. And let's get fixing. Okay.
The crane will be here soon, an hour and 15 minutes.
I'm coming. Come on there, lad. Easy does it. Up you get in the forklift. Alright, come on. Come on. Okay, just lower it in nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and slow. Alright, there we go. Alright, dig it up. Take it away. Bit lower, bit lower, bit lower, and perfect. Gonna use a shovel this time. All right, I fixed it. Yay! Woohoo! Don't be late next time. All right, let's roll out. Howdy, ma'am. How's things? You keeping well?
Yes, I am. Thank you, Mr.
Beep,
Garbage
beep, beep,
Man.
beep. Come on, I gotta go. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Gotta empty a bin. There you go, ma'am. Good seeing you again. You have a lovely day now.
Oh, them silly kids keep knocking over the bins.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!